Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, children, what all invitations did we do till now? One was wedding invitation. After that, come on,
मैम आज
quickly
हम
tell me.
लिखेंगे भी क्या?
Business invitation.
Wedding invitation, institutional invitation. Yes, beta. Next.
Inauguration or business invitation.
Yes, very good. We did this yesterday. Okay, we had planned 2 inauguration invitations. One was a salon. And what was the next one? We did one business invitation. It was kids' clothes, I suppose. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And the second was the opening of a unisex salon. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are confident about card format and letter format.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now today what we are going to learn is something new.
मैम हम लिखेंगे नहीं क्या इन सबको?
दिवांश लिखेंगे तब ना जब लिखना आता होगा. आता है अभी लिखना? आप बताइए. अभी आप कॉन्फिडेंट है लिखने में?
मैम पुराने तो लिख लेंगे.
पुराने लिख लेंगे. लिख तो लेंगे ही. पहले आना जरूरी है, फिर लिखेंगे बेटा. एक ही साथ पहले इनविटेशन
Okay.
सीख लो. How to answer invitation सीख लो. And then we'll start writing. No problem.
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
share the PDFs with you. आप लिख के अपने आप वर्क जो है ग्रुप पे पोस्ट कर दीजिएगा. Children, today we are going to learn about how to reply invitations. Please see this. This is a suitable reply to the given formal invitation. Now what happens is, in the exam, an invitation will come and they will say, please reply this to this invitation. This is a reply. Which kind of an invitation are we replying to? Tell me quickly, formal or informal?
Formal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Formal.
Formal.
Ma'am, in commerce, we are not done with business inauguration.
Okay, never mind. I'll show that PDF also to you. It's like same. The name of the company, XYZ announces the opening of, you have the name of the store, date, time, place. And if you have invited somebody for inauguration, then we have the name of that person. Never mind, I'll do it. Actually, Surbi ma'am is on leave today, children. So I've taken a combined class. Little bit shifting of lectures has also been done. One more thing which reminds me, your optional period is last period today. Okay. Normally you had an optional period as a second period. Yes.
Ma'am, Akshat Gupta present.
Today commerce students must have got business studies in the second period. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you have in the second period today? Commerce.
Ma'am, Raman sir period was there.
Ha, Raman sir. And second period in science must be Danish sir's period. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have exchanged the optional period today. Optional period will be the last period today. PHE students will go for PHE. And applied math students in commerce, you will also go for applied maths in the last period. Only computer
ma'am.
students will be free today. Gulshan sir is not well, so you will not have your computer classes. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope there is no confusion. The last lecture, that is the 7th lecture. PHE students will go for PHE. In commerce, the applied math students will go for applied math classes. Only computer students will be free. Gulshan sir is not well, beta, he is hospitalized. So you will not have your computer classes for about 3-4 days as of now. Okay. So I hope there's no confusion in the last periods. Charlie, let's do this quickly. Yes, see this. Mrs. and Mr. KL Shastri request the pleasure of your company. This invitation will come in the exam. ऐसे ही दे रखा होगा बेटा. This invitation will be given and the question will come that give a reply to this invitation. So there are two options. Either you accept the invitation or you decline the invitation. So today we are going to learn both. How to accept? Accept means what, Devansh? Accept the invitation का मतलब क्या?
मैम
Yes. Accept the invitation means what, beta? 5.
मैम the invitation we accept from our relatives.
नहीं, accept का मतलब क्या? What do we mean that we are going to accept the invitation? Arohi, what does it mean? Accept the invitation. What does accept the
that we are
invitation? That we are?
ready to come.
Yes, we are willing to come. We will surely come. Okay, Devansh, हम आएंगे आपके फंक्शन में आइसक्रीम
Yes,
खा के
ma'am.
जाएंगे. That is accepting the invitation. And second condition है declining the invitation. For certain reasons हम नहीं आ पाएंगे. That is declining. So बेटा एक ऐसा invitation दे रखा होगा, and they will tell you either you accept the invitation or you decline the invitation. Now let us see how to answer such questions. Look here, the sender's name, the person who is
Excuse
replying.
me, ma'am.
Come here first. Yes, beta.
मैम एक बार वो बता दी मैम, आपने शुरुआत में जो करवा रही थी आंसर टू द इनविटेशन,
Ask for the invitation.
जो आपने शुरुआत में बताया था ना कि मतलब हमें आंसर देना होगा इनविटेशन का,
आंसर यही
Reply.
देना है. आंसर दो तरह के हो सकते हैं. या तो वो बोलेंगे इनविटेशन को एक्सेप्ट करिए, मतलब आप ये कहिए कि yes we will be coming, or you decline the invitation, say sorry that I will not be able to come. आंसर ऐसे देना है. So I'll teach you both.
Okay, ma'am.
Accepting the invitation ऐसे करते हैं. First, the name of the person who is writing. Who is writing here? Mr. Rakesh Rana. Who is the person who is replying? Speak out, children. Who is the person who is replying? See, his
This
name
is
is written over here. Speak
Mr.
out.
Mr. Rakesh Rana.
Mr. Rakesh Rana.
Rakesh Rana. Now, when you write Mr. Rakesh Rana, you have to see some things very carefully. M of Mr. is capital. R of Rakesh has to be capital, and R of Rana is capital. The entire name is not to be written in the capital letters. Only the first letter of each word is capital. Supposing it is Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, then you will write M capital, Shah Rukh ka S capital, Khan ka K capital. If I have to write Mr. Akshay Kumar, then M capital. Next, what will be capital of Akshay?
A.
A. And what of Kumar?
K.
A. Okay. Now, what I'm trying to say is the first line should have in the center the name of the person who's sending the reply. First letter of each should be capital. Now we'll go down. Has much pleasure in accepting the kind invitation of. मतलब हम बता रहे हैं that yes, we have accepted your invitation. The third line, the name of the host will come. Okay, beta, let's go up. Who had invited? Mrs. and Mr. K.L. Shastri. See the invitation. Who was the host?
Mrs. and Mr. K.
Mrs. and Mr. K.L. Shastri.
Yes. So the first line will have the name of the person who's replying. Second line will be same, has much pleasure in accepting the kind invitation. Third line, the name of the host. To the marriage of this son, Mohit. We'll go back and take it from here. Who is getting married? Mohit. On, what was the date? 15th October.
15 October.
Yes, 20XX at 7 p.m. Is it fine? This is a very simple way of replying. First line is the name of the person who's replying. Second line, accept the invitation. Third line, the name of the host. Fourth line is the event or the function. And the last line is the date and the time. So only 5 lines will bind up your invitation. It should not be more than 50 words. So we'll make it short. Mr. Rakesh Rana has much pleasure in accepting the kind invitation of Mrs. and Mr. K.L. Shastri to the marriage of their son Mohit. Bas, ye nahi likhna hai with whom, manya, vanya, all this is not needed. On so and so date at 7 p.m. This is accepting or declining?
Accepting.
Accepting.
Very good. He's saying thank you so much for the invitation and he'll come. Now let's learn how to decline invitation. Okay. I would suggest keep the format same. First line only have the name of the person, Mr. Rakesh Rana. That's it. Clear everyone? Mr. Rakesh Rana sincerely thanks Mrs. and Mr. KL Shastri. So first line remains same, third line remains the same. Just second line has changed. Sincerely thanks. Now come here. For the kind invitation to the wedding of their son, Mohit, on 15th October at 7 p.m., but regrets his inability to attend. He is not able to come. बड़े खेद से बताना पड़ता है. In Hindi we say this. Regret inability in Hindi we say बहुत खेद से बता रहे हैं कि हम नहीं आ पाएंगे. We are sorry to say that we will not be able to come. Regrets his inability to attend because of a prior engagement. Because of a prior what?
Engagement.
Okay,
Engagement.
Pratik, what does this mean? Pratik, what does this mean, prior engagement? What does this word mean, prior engagement? Pratik Pandey, are you there? Fawaz? Fawaz Ali?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are there, thankfully. What does this mean? Because of a prior engagement, he's saying, I'll not be able to come. Iska matlab kya? Tell me.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
First, let him try. Who wants to tell? Pratik, you want to try? Sorry, Fawaz, you want to try? No.
Ma'am, Devansh.
Devansh too
Akshat.
wants to try. Akshat. Akshat, okay. Akshat, tell me, what does this mean?
Ma'am, he is busy somewhere.
He is busy somewhere. And Devansh, what does this mean for you?
Ma'am, he is attending another engagement.
He's attending another engagement. मतलब उसको किसी दूसरी शादी में जाना, right?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं बच्चे, मुझे पता था आप लोग यही समझोगे. That is why I thought I should take up. Engagement does not mean over here that he is going for some engagement. वो शादी वाला engagement नहीं. Busy होना. I'm engaged somewhere. That means I'm busy somewhere. It does not mean that I'm वो engagement वाला engage. Engage over here means busy. ठीक है? I hope others also don't get confused. Now Fawaz, you tell me, what does this mean? Because of a prior engagement?
Ma'am, it means that he is busy somewhere.
Yes. And what does the word prior mean, Soni? What does the word prior mean? Yes, Soni, what does the word prior mean? Soni Sharma, good morning. Soni
please
Sharma, what does the word prior mean? Prior. See here, it is on your screen, this word. What does it mean? Before engagement, there is a word which is written prior. What does it mean?
Earlier or
Earlier. Okay. Lakshita, what does the word
Yes,
prior
ma'am.
engagement mean?
Ma'am, before.
Before. Kashish, what does the word engagement mean? Kashish? Kashish, are you there? Yes, Kashish, are you there? Very good. So Pratik is not there, Kashish is not there. Let me talk about more people. Pratishtha. Pratishtha? Okay. Pratishtha is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pratishtha. What does the word prior engagement mean?
Prior engagement means an already existing function or already existing arrangement.
Yes. Prior means pehle se hi and engagement means busy. Means he is already busy. He has already promised to go somewhere, so he is already busy, so he will not be able to come. Clear, Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Engagement का मतलब वो वाला engagement नहीं. It means कि वो पहले से कहीं busy है. See, let's see.
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Rakesh Rana sincerely thanks Mrs. and Mr. KL Shastri to the kind invitation to the wedding of their son Mohit on 15th October. No need to panic. I'll tell you when to make copies. I'll share the PDFs with you. आप देख के लिख सकते हैं, कोई problem नहीं. but regrets his inability to attend because of a prior engagement. He wishes Mohit a blissful conjugal life, means he is wishing Mohit a happy married life. Happy married life का ही एक better vocabulary में है blissful conjugal life. Is it okay? What does blissful conjugal life mean? A happy married life. Beta, now see this. After reading this, you will tell me the difference between a formal and an informal reply. I have already shown you how to give formal replies. I'm also showing you how to give informal replies. And then you will tell me the differences. Let me see who gives me the correct answer. Your friend has invited you to attend the wedding of his sister Jaya. You find that you have an important paper or pre-board examination on the wedding day, so you cannot attend the event. So in 50 words, express your regret. Let's see. This is his address. M14 Fort Road, Chennai. This is the date. Dear Satish, it was a great pleasure to receive your invitation to attend your sister's wedding. I would have loved to attend the wedding, but my pre-board exams are going on and I have chemistry paper on that day. Thus, I will not be able to attend the wedding. Yours sincerely, Puneet. This is an informal reply. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please compare this informal reply and the formal reply.
Ma'am,
Take
this
2
is
minutes.
formal ना?
Beta, you're replying to your friend. तो ये informal है. पहले वाला जो wedding वाला था, this was informal. This is, sorry,
Ma'am,
this was formal and this is informal. This one. You're replying to your friend, ना? So friend वाला तो informal हो गया. See,
मैम बट
this
यहाँ पे
came,
लिखा हुआ है कि मैम
क्या लिखा
मैम
है?
यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ write in about 50 words of formal reply.
नहीं बेटा, friends को हमेशा informal ही reply देंगे. Don't go for that. आप situation समझो. You're writing to your
Okay,
friend.
ma'am.
Now I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please see this informal reply very carefully. And then you will give me the differences that you have observed between a formal and an informal reply. Chaliye, take 2 minutes. Then I'll ask you one by one. सोचो ध्यान से, what differences we have between formal and informal replies?
Ma'am, in formal, we do not express
अभी
our
नहीं
work.
बोलना है, अभी नहीं बोलना है दिवांश. 2 minutes का मतलब 120 seconds. ठीक है? Control your excitement. अभी डिस्कस करेंगे 2 मिनट बाद.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now please tell me the difference between formal and informal
Ma'am,
invitation.
ma'am, in formal, we not specify the reason, but in informal, we specify the reason. Hello. Hello.
अरे थोड़ी देर रुक जा।
Yes, Devansh, very good. बहुत बढ़िया, correct answer. Too good. चलिए, tell your friends again the difference. Too good.
Ma'am, in formal we do not specify the reason, but in informal we specify the reason.
Excellent. This is the most important difference which your friend has shared with you. When you reply to a formal invitation, there is no need to give a specific reason. Simply say that I'll not be able to come. Why I'll not be able to come? No need to tell. But in informal, we give a reason. Sakshi is the second one. We have raised hand. Yes, Sakshi.
Ma'am, we give the reply in formal invitation in a card format, and in informal, we give it in a letter format.
Excellent. We got the second difference. When we are replying a formal one, the card format is used, and here the letter format is used. I hope those who are regular in classes know the difference between a card format and a letter format. Very good. We have Sony telling us something more. Yes, Sony.
Ma'am, in informal, we have to mention the address, whereas in formal, we don't have to mention it.
Too good, too good. You people are very good. Observation power is very good. Okay, we have Soumya also. Yes, Soumya. Soumya, you raise your hand, beta. Tell us the difference.
Ma'am, she spoke.
Hmm?
Ma'am, Sakshi told the point.
Never mind. You
Ma'am,
also
Sakshi
say.
spoke my point.
Never mind. You also say. You raised your hand. You have all the right to say. Say, beta. We'll listen again.
Ma'am, that formal letter, we write the letter in the letter format, and in informal, we write in the letter format, card format.
Card format. Abhinav Pandey will now tell us these girls have told us so many differences, and of course Devansh as well. So Abhinav, tell me any one difference. जो समझ में आया after listening to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me one difference which you understood after listening to these girls, after seeing what I showed you. What is one difference you can now tell between a formal and an informal reply?
Ma'am, in informal replies, we write the address, but in formal replies, we don't write the address.
Very good. Good, Abhinav. Akash, one difference from you now.
I mean, formal, we do not specify the reason, but in informal, we specify the reason.
Excellent. Akshat.
Ma'am, in formal we specify the reason, but in informal we do not specify the
उल्टा
reason.
बोल दिया, उल्टा बोल दिया. Speak again.
Sorry, ma'am. In informal we do not specify. Ma'am, in informal we specify the reason, and in formal we do not specify the reason.
Very good. Arohi, have you come back? Arohi, are you
Yes,
back?
ma'am.
Yes, beta. Tell me the difference.
Ma'am, in informal, we don't write the address, but in formal, we write the address.
Good. Dhruv Srivastava,
Yes, ma'am.
one difference. Anyone?
Ma'am, in formal we give replies in card format, and ma'am in informal we give reply in letter format.
Good. Faiz. Faiz. Come on, tell me one difference. Fawaz. Fawaz, good morning. Where are both the brothers today? Faiz and Fawaz. Chalo, I'll mark both the brothers absent today. Lakshita, you tell me the difference.
Yes, ma'am. In formal invitations, we make card format, and in informal invitations, we make letter format.
Good. Miran, you tell me, bache. Yes, Miran. Yes, Miran. Some problem in your audio, Miran? Anyways, you try it a little later, Miran. Yes. Okay. Sakshi, once again from you.
Ma'am, I found one more difference.
Tell.
Ma'am, in the formal invitation, the reply is given in third person, whereas in the letter, it is given in the first person.
Good, excellent. I was just coming to that, but then I thought I should explain first, second, and third person first. Sparsh Gupta, one difference from you, beta, and then one from Utkarsh. Yes, Sparsh. Sparsh, one difference. Another invisible man in the class. And Utkarsh is there or invisible again?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, at least Utkarsh is not an invisible man. Utkarsh, you tell me one difference which you've understood.
Ma'am, in informal we make card format, and in informal we use letter format.
See, the entire 15 minutes I have given for this only. The difference between formal and informal replies. Beta, because if this goes wrong, then whatever vocabulary you use, it is of no use. This is the main thing which we have to be careful. Now, one more thing your friend has come up with, first person and third person. Let me explain this to you. Who is the first person in English grammar?
I, we.
I think Soumya wants to say something. She's raised her hand. Soumya, yes?
I, we.
Okay, fine, very good. Soumya, you want to say something? Yes, Soumya, you want to say something, beta?
No.
Okay, Devansh, you want to
No,
say
ma'am.
something?
Ma'am, the answer is I, we.
Okay, good. Now, no need to raise hands. We'll discuss only. You can speak, all of you. First person is I and we. Who is the second person?
You, yours.
Very good. You. And the all others are which person?
Third person.
Third person.
Third person. I told you a very simple way to remember. Supposing I get treasure, like Alibaba had got treasure, na? Have you read about Alibaba?
Yes, ma'am.
What did
Yes,
Alibaba find? What did Alibaba find?
Yeah.
Treasure. Hidden treasure. Now, supposing Devansh finds a hidden treasure. सबसे पहले देवांश किसके बारे में सोचेंगे? देवांश
I.
बताओ. I अपने लिए आईफोन खरीदूंगा. I will buy a Mercedes for myself. And then चलो, I'll buy something for my brother. I'll buy something to gift my mother. So I and we. Always the first person is who? Tell me. I and
we.
now galti se Akshat and Dhruv Srivastav also reached there. They also saw that Devansh has got a treasure. Akshat and who has reached? Dhruv Srivastav. अब ये तो सामने आ गए ना. So he has to give them something. So the second person will be you. जो सामने है, that is you. And all of us who are not present there, whom we don't know, the entire world is going to be the third person. So formal invitations are never written in the first person. I mean, they never replies do not go in the first person. We never say, I am very thankful that you have given me the invitation. I will not be able to come. We never use the first person. Always which person is used? Formal में?
Third person.
Third person.
चलिए. Very good. इसको समझ लेते हैं. Let's see this. I should see. Mr. Rakesh Rana sincerely thanks. It is not written that I sincerely thank. It is written Mr. Rakesh Rana sincerely thanks so and so for a kind invitation to the wedding of their son, but regrets his inability. He's not saying my inability. What is the word he's using? His inability. Last, maybe he does not say that I wish Mohit. What is he saying? He wishes Mohit. What is he saying, beta?
He wishes.
He
wishes. So he and she, they are all third person. So whenever we are replying formal, always go for the third person. Let's see this. It was a great pleasure to receive your invitation. Your is which person?
Second person.
Second.
Second. आगे चलिए. I would have loved to attend. I is which person?
First.
First
First.
person.
My pre-board exams. My. First person.
First.
I have an exam. Which person?
First person.
First.
I will not be able to attend. Again, which person?
First.
First person.
So whenever you are replying informally, first person and second person. You have invited, but I cannot come. So basically, it is a conversation between the first person and the second person. There is nowhere third person in informal replies. Similarly, when we go for formal replies, there is no first person, there is no second person. There is only which person?
Third person.
Third person. Now let us plan an invitation. Okay. Sakshi is inviting. Let's plan an invitation reply. Sakshi is inviting Soumya for the wedding of her elder brother. So Sakshi has sent such an invitation. It was written, Miss Sakshi requests the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the wedding of her brother Mohit with so and so, Monday so and so. So who is the person who is inviting Miss Sakshi? Now she is invited whom? Whom?
Soumya.
Soumya. Soumya, please accept the invitation. Tell me what will you write? Formal invitation, wedding invitation. How will you accept the invitation? Tell me, Soumya. Will you all help Soumya?
I'm Soumya Srivastava.
Yes, Soumya. Miss Soumya Srivastava. The first line would be Miss Soumya Srivastava. Yes, continue.
Has much pleasure in accepting the kind invitation of
Very good.
Miss Sakshi for the marriage
Miss
of his elder brother on
so and so and so and so. Too good. Very good. Now Sony, she has invited you also. Sakshi has invited Sony also, but Sony is not able to come. So Sony, please decline the invitation. Start, Sony.
Miss Soni sincerely thanks Miss Sakshi for their kind invitation.
Her kind invitation.
Her
Because
kind
it's in,
invitation
yes.
to the wedding of her brother on 15th October 20XX at 7 p.m. but regrets her inability to attend because of a prior engagement. She
Good.
wishes Mohit a blissful conjugal life.
Excellent. Too good. Very good, girl. Now we'll have it again, okay? Let's continue. Let's have Devansha sent an invitation. Devan's sister's wedding. Let's plan it like this. Devansha sent an invitation. It is a sister's wedding. He sent an invitation first to Dhruv. Dhruv, please accept the invitation. Dhruv, please accept the invitation.
Yes, ma'am.
Accept the invitation. Devansha sent you an invitation.
Okay, ma'am.
You want to accept or you want to decline? It's your choice. COVID में अगर नहीं जाना है तो decline करो. What do you want to do? You want to go or you want to decline?
Ma'am, decline.
हाँ भाई, COVID में obviously you want to decline. चलो, decline. It's COVID times. He does not want to go. Dhruv is not interested. Devansh, don't feel bad. Yes, start Dhruv. He's going to decline the invitation. Yes, Peter. Start.
Ma'am, Mr. Dhruv Srivastava
Hmm.
sincerely thanks
Hmm.
Mr. Divyansh
Hmm.
for his kind invitation to the wedding of his son,
Sister.
of his sister. Sister name.
Mohita.
Okay. Of her sister Mohita on 15 October 2021 at 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. But but regrets his inability to attend because of a prior engagement. He wishes Mohita a blissful conjugal life.
Very good. Excellent. Too good. What about Utkarsh? Utkarsh, would you accept the invitation of Devansh or would you also decline?
Decline.
Decline. Nobody was wanting, then who will go for Devan's sister's wedding?
Ma'am, 50 relatives.
50 relatives are sufficient. So friends not needed. Very smart. You know all the government guidelines. Chalo, jaldi boliye Utkarsh. Decline the invitation. Hurry up. He should know, na. Then he will prepare food for you and then you will not come. So please decline. Jaldi karo. Say that you will not be able to come. Start. Start from here.
Mr. Utkarsh Yadav sincerely thanks Mr. Devansh for their kind invitation to the
There
wedding
wedding
of their sister Mohita on 15 October 20XX at 7 p.m. but regrets his inability to attend because of a prior engagement. He wishes Mohita a blissful conjugate life.
Excellent. There was a small error, one very small error. Children, tell me what it was. छोटा सा गलती हुआ एक बस. When Utkarsh replied. What was the mistake? Very small error. He said
Daughter.
there.
At the
There.
place of their,
There.
he should say.
Yes,
His.
his kind invitation. Because only Devansh is inviting. So in place of there, it should have been his. Nobody is wanting to go. At least one of you accept Devansh's invitation, right? Anyone who is wanting to go? Chale jao, koi to chale jao. Anyone interested? Sparsh, Sakshi, Soni, Lakshita. Nobody is a friend. Nobody wants to go.
I'm
Somebody
accepting.
please. Okay,
Going.
Sakshi is accepting.